Hey, it's Chris. Welcome back to another episode of my backyard shed build. In the last episodes, I prepared the foundation, started assembling the wooden elements, and fixed the left side panel in place. If you missed that, check the playlist link on the screen or in the description. We are picking up right where we left off, with the left panel already installed. Now it's time to mount the right side panel. I'm using a telescopic ladder for this. Wasn't sure about it at first, but this premium one has really impressed me. Super sturdy and easy to handle, even with my 130 kilograms. One of the goals for this shed is to hang my small scaffolding inside, so I need to figure out the best height for a horizontal support beam. Once I able the right level, I use clamps on both sides to hold it in a place for solo assembly. Not perfectly leveled yet, but it's a helpful starting point. First, I'm attaching a bracket to one side panel. Using this little clamp rig helps keep everything tight and aligned, makes drilling so much easier. Just one screw per side at this stage, it doesn't need to be too stiff yet. Then I go to the other side to properly align everything using a spirit level. That's fixed directly to the beam, so it doesn't fall. Don't you know how to check if your spirit level still works after dropping it? Check out my older video on that, link below. To fit the bracket on the opposite side, I need to move the clamp and create a kind of second clamp rig to keep things stable. It looks a little sketchy, but hey, it works. Bracket on, everything aligned, and we are locked in. And again, of course, it starts raining. Classic. I place the bottom beam to align the side panel and fix the lower part of the front frame. I'm leaving about 1 centimeter gap at the bottom. This helps with airflow and moisture prevention. But to keep bugs and small animals out, I'm adding kind of net barrier. The net is attached with staples and bent into a seal shape, kind of. Looks pretty good if you ask me, and more importantly, it does the job. It's not perfectly sealed as you see, but for this purpose, good enough is perfect. Since that worked out, I'm repeating the same seal on the upper section, just under the roof line. I ran out of staples for a moment. Let me find more. Okay, now I pre-mount brackets on the ground, much easier than doing it on a ladder. Clamps again help with temporary positioning. Once the front brackets are done, I move onto the middle and rear ones. To keep things tidy, I'm using a vacuum hose clamped near the drill to catch all the dust. Should be better than last time. Honestly, it's kind of satisfying to see it work so clean. So bracket after bracket, copy paste, and before you know it, we've got it. First one, second fixed, third one also fixed, and the last one, all done. That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. It really helps support this ultra tiny channel. Thanks again and see you next week for more that content. Have a great day.